been able to get as much done today as we wanted. That's my fault. This little connector that was supposed to solve all our problems was the wrong bloody size. 1/4 inch it should be, 6.6 millimeters, and I had a 6mm one, so it doesn't fit. What have you got to say, Mov?
He has a 6mm one.
Yeah. About the size of his head. Except when you get really close. Mov has got a lot of information there, have you not?
Yes.
Good morning, people. Withernsea Beach. Don't know if you can hear the waves lapping or not, but the tide is currently going out and is nearly out at its furthest point. But the problem is, I'll show you, we can't go down because we're on the top of the cliff. We've got to be careful where we walk here. Bubbers. There we go. I've just found a way down. Somebody very kindly has put or tied or secured a rope to get down to the beach. There we go. All the way down there. Are we going to try it? No, I'm too chicken shit. Got to go down now. Well, we did it. We have the beach pretty much to ourselves. Look at this. There's no one here. Just me and Boo. And you, of course. Ah, lovely. Hornsea, Withernsea, twixt the middle. Look at that girl, she's so enjoying herself. So enjoying herself, she loves it. We're going swimming. She's going to be chicken shit. So the danger is, where the sand is wet, I really don't know what to expect. She is absolutely in her element. This coastline that you can see across here is eroding at a rate of 2 meters a year. That's phenomenal. And there's a house up just further back over here. Beautiful, beautiful house. And I spoke to the owner yesterday, and he said that he's been told officially that his house will no longer be there in 88 years' time. Despicable me. But it's good for her, actually. It really is good for her, because she really does need to learn. We are going to be exploring these places more and more often. I just absolutely love the coastline. I really do. So invigorating. There's nothing better in my eyes than seeing the stormy seas. I'll point it at me, shall I? And seeing the stormy seas. The anger, the ferocity, the crashing of the waves. It is a thing. But even this is stunning, it really is. Absolutely love it. Came down yesterday. It's actually good for my chest. Now you can understand why the Victorians used to send their patients with breathing problems to the seaside. They were very health conscious. They understood the power of nature. Hence, spa towns, Harrogate being one of them, but there were loads, dozens popped up everywhere. Oh, let's go and explore this. I'm not going any further. Come here, Bubbas. You're not going in there. Yeah, we're not going any further. From my own personal point of view, my coughing and my clartiness on my chest, the horribleness that I've got, it seems to be lingering from after my illness. That's a really annoying thing. What are you doing, boo-boos? You having fun? What a trollop. Today's Friday 17th, I think it is, of July 2020, and in 2 weeks' time we've got to be out of that flat and in that camper van. I spoke to Carol yesterday and she's worrying quite a lot. No big surprise really, because there is a huge amount of uncertainty in the lives that we are about to embark on. Now if I said to you that everything's going to be okay, I'd be lying, because I don't know what to expect. I'm looking forward to embracing the challenge and enjoy the experience. If we can come and find places like this, you know, we've got the Peak District on our doorstep as well. Carol wants to go and, well, we both want to go. It was Carol's idea, but we both want to go and do the touristy thing and walk up Mount Snowdon, because I'm so easily out of breath. Even this little walk is making me, oh wow, making me not catch my breath or anything like that, but you know, I am breathing a lot heavier than I should be for a gentle stroll. I want to show you something. Right up there. I'll try and zoom in. Swift swallows? House martins? No, I can't recall all their songs, any of their songs right now. What a good place to be. Don't believe it. What a good place to be. Wow, amazing how that came to mind first. That was the House Martins. Oh, there we go. Oh, to the The one thing for sure, Mother Nature has time on her side. We are only a little speck in the microcosm. Humanity has created the most devastation since this planet settled down and started creating life. As a species, I'm not talking about natural disasters, but as a species, we are such a destructive force. When are we going to learn that we need to respect Mother Nature, planet Earth, the place we call home? Come on then. Look at the state. What? You got your sandy beard going on. You've got it up right up your nose, you have, haven't you? Yeah? In your eyes as well. You wait till your mum sees this. We got blue skies. And I'm going for a paddle. See if I can coax. In. Now, you, madam. Want to play now? enough of that.